Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a free website for your business. So first you want to go to Safari or Google or whatever, and you want to type in bitcartel.com. Now this is how I have my website. So it's an easy online store. Now you can use this for anything. It could be shirts, jewelry, lip gloss, whatever you want to sell. And so here are just some information about Big Cartel. It's a great site. So they do have some billing plans. So you can pay $10 a month for 25 products, and you can list 5 images per product, free customizable themes, sell online and in person, use a custom domain, theme coding, editing, inventory tracking, offer discounts, shipment tracking, and they have a beta for automatic tax collections. Or you can do $20 a month. You can get 100 products, and again, there's no listing fees, so you can list whatever you want on your website without having to pay an extra fee, kind of how Macari is. So 5 images per product, free customizable themes. So pretty much the same thing, but they added a few other things. Let's see, product option groups and advanced tax settings. And then for the last one, you can post 300 products on your page at a time and only pay $30 a month. I currently only have the 25 products for $10 a month because that's all I need. And what else you get? You don't get anything else, I don't believe. So yeah, you just get to list 300 products. So to get this free, you just want to hit sign up. And well, actually we're not going to do that. We're going to type in free website Big Cartel, because I don't think they have this on the home page. Let's see. Now this is the page that you want to go to. I will leave this link in the description box. So you just want to hit open your free store. And so you just create an email. Well, not create an email. You sign up, you put your email, your password, shop name, and shop URL. So I'm going to fill out this information. Okay, so once you fill out all the information, you should have this screen. So you have your dashboard where it shows you all your orders and how much money you've made. Orders will show you your current orders and your past orders. If it has a green dot, that means you still have some orders you need to ship out. And then you hit this, you'll see your products, this right here. Discounts, you probably won't get this on the free plan, so just ignore that, but I'll show you that feature later on. So you can customize your theme, choose how you accept payments, and it'll show you your current plan, which is what I have right now, but it'll say free on yours. And then you can change your preference, like track inventory, but I think that's not on the free plan, so I'm going to skip that one. You also won't get emails for your customers either, but I'm going to show you guys what you can do on the free plan. So you would choose this right here, customize your design, or edit your shop information. So you can add this to your bio. CEO, welcome to my shop, blah, blah, blah. Then you add your email. So I'm going to choose customize my design. And after this, I will show you the themes, things like that. So here are the different themes. So this is what my website currently looks like. Here are all my listings. And then here's a little slideshow at the beginning of my page, and I uploaded this photo myself. I created this photo using PixArt and another app to have this makeup kind of filter, and I took a picture of my glosses and kind of just took out the background, just put them on there, things like that. So as you can see, you can post a listing and then the name, the photo, description, and the price. So I'm going to show you guys the different themes. if I can find it. Okay, so this right here will let you see all the different themes. So I'm currently on the Luna theme. So if I change themes, this is what it would look like. So this theme I cannot pronounce. This is what the theme will look like. As you can see, it says Mercy Cosmetics LLC. Shop now. Here's just some photos of my glosses. And here is what it would look like. I personally don't like this theme. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. Oh, I sold out of these. I didn't even know that. Okay. And things like that. Here's another listing. You can add as much as you want to the description, and you can post 2 photos on the free plan, I believe. So here's sunscreen theme. I had this for the longest, but I just changed it. So it'll say again your business name. You can always edit all of these shop, all these different categories, info. I'll show you guys how to add all of that and what's in your cart. So if you choose cart, this is what it will look like. Then you just choose checkout and you're going from there. Here's another theme. This is called lunch break. It's kind of just like sunscreen, as you can see. You can change things to on sale or sold out as well. Here is the next theme right here. This is a clean look. I like this look. So yeah, make sure you just want to have all that filled out in different categories, things like that. Next theme is Ranger. So yeah, that's what this looks like. And so if you just hover over it, that's what it'll just turn blue. And here's the second photo of the swatches, and then you can tweet it, put it on Facebook or Pinterest. Here is Choice. So yeah, all these themes kind of look alike. So these are in categories, I believe. They might not be. Or these are products. Yeah, these are different products. So those are just 3 listings right there. And to view more, you would just hit start shopping and it'll show you all of them. And then you choose this tab here for all the other categories I have on my site. Here is Foundry. So as you can see, it's very similar to the other one. And then you have your categories at the bottom. And it'll always say online store by Big Cartel. And here's another one. You can always edit this photo to get it out featured. And here are the same things. Parade. So that is what that would look like. So you will just keep swiping down to see the different listings, and then you can just hit view if you want to look at that one and scroll down, see the description like that, which is neat. Here is Hopscotch. So they have like 10 different themes, guys. They have a lot to choose from. So I'm just gonna briefly go over these really quickly. This is Pickle Juice. You can always change this background color. This shows you what's in your card. Let's see, 2 more and we'll be done. We have Nova. This is what Nova looks like. And then I have right here on sale or sold out. View all products, and then you have your categories up here. And I think at the bottom too, yeah. And then you have your business name right there. And this is Snakebite. So you can add like a little slideshow here. It'll say what's on sale, view, like that. So yeah, that is what that looks like. Now, I'm not going to save this because I don't want my settings to change here. Products, and you can add your products here. Again, for the free plan, you can add up to 5 different products. So for example, I would just choose this one, upload the 3 images. So the swatches, and then another photo of the glosses. I will type in the product name, the description. You can choose a category. This is optional. The status, active or hidden, sold out, coming soon. Set your price. You can choose on sale. So it's not on sale. This is on sale. Stay on page. And then you can choose the different options for the colors. So I have 4 different colors. So I have clear, I don't have any clear left. Diamond, I have 23 installed. Raspberry 9 installed. Barbie Peach 10 installed. And then you have the shipping, $4 shipping for United States. Everywhere else, like outside the country, it'll be $14. And you have your own custom URL, so you can just send somebody the link so they can just see this one product, which is really cool. Here's like a sneak peek of the discount page. Lead page. Again, you will not get this with the free plan, but I'm just showing you an example. So here are all my discount codes. So if you're watching this video, you can have one of these codes right here. So if you have the 25% off, we have the 20% off, 10% off, free shipping, and the 10% off. So yeah, these are all my discount codes, and it lets me know how many people have used each code. And these are my expired codes as well. So you cannot use any of these codes because they are expired, and only one person used one. It's crazy. Okay, so back to the basics. So for the customized design part, I'm going to go back to, I really hope this did not save. If it did, I'm going to be so mad. Okay. So to create a page like one of these, you just want to choose this button right here. And you can just create one. So as you can see, I have frequently asked questions. And then you can edit them here. We have about me. Then we have refund shipping policy right here. You just type it in up here. And then it'll come up here. Ingredients. Like that. And then again, you just type it up here. And that is how you make a page. Now for settings, as in to change like a header image or a background photo, you would just mess with these. So let's say I want this to be pink or purple. The words are being purple. The background, I want it to be black. I would choose black. It looks terrible, but I'm just giving you guys an example. The links could be in red. Let's go to products so you can see some changes. Let's see. Buttons could be blue, purple. It's totally up to you. So as you can see, these are purple now. You can change the font. Here are the different fonts. So that's what that would look like. They don't have too many cursive fonts. They have lobster. So that's what that would look like. And you have these other ones. So that's just for the header, I believe. Now I change the secondary font to something cursive like lobster. And as you can see, now it's cursive, which is very cool. So if you're on the free plan, your website would say your business name.bitcartel.com. If you want it to say your business name.com, you have to have a plan. So you have to at least have the $10 plan, and you have to purchase a domain, which is like $10 a year cheap. So yeah, I currently pay $10 a month and $10 a year for my domain and my website. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much how you make a full website. If you want like links, for example, if you want like the Twitter button, if you want like the Facebook button and the Pinterest button, you have to be on a certain layout. So let's say I chose screen. It's only on certain layouts. I'm not sure which layouts. Maybe it's on Luna. Let's see. Nope, so I don't know. Well, it really depends on which one you choose. It'll pop up. I'm not sure which one it is. But yeah, so like these, you would just go back to settings and just put in your Facebook URL, Tumblr, Instagram, Pinterest. And then when they click on it, actually that's something totally different. Scratch that. So when you click Treat, Facebook, and Pinterest, they will be able to tweet about this listing on their Twitter. Now, you type in these, there should be an icon somewhere at the bottom or at the top where people can see your Facebook page and your Instagram page. Sorry about that. But yeah, it really depends on which layout you're on as well. So yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up how to make a website, how to make a free website. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video.